Hello all, Simon Toohey, brand ambassador for Dilmah, and I've got an amazing little cocktail for you using the Arana range from Dilmah, their Awake Tea. And this has ashwagandha, it has peppermint, and it has clove, and of course, it has Dilmah's premium Ceylon green tea. And I'm pairing this with a beautiful crusta. And a crusta is a style of cocktail that has a wonderful lemon zest rim with a sugar rim below that and filled full of yummy goodness, including this Awake Tea. I'm starting with rum. I've got a beautiful aged rum. You can also use brandy, you can use cognac, you can use armagnac, you can use whiskey, whatever you like. But I'm starting with rum today. And I'm mixing that with a beautiful sugar syrup. I put sugar and hot water into a jar and added 2 tea bags of Dilmah's Awake Tea from the Arana range. I want to make this quite strong. I want the flavors to be very pronounced when it comes to this beautiful tea syrup. Once that's done, you can then add 15 mils of that in with the 60 mils of rum you put in a shaker before that. If you don't have a cocktail shaker at home, don't fret. Everyone's joined a gym at some stage and has actually bought the water bottle but never gone. Well, use that water bottle for your shaker. Put the 60 mils in your vessel with 15 mils of that wonderful Awake Tea syrup. Follow that with some lemon juice. Now, before you put the lemon juice in there, let's use the rind of that lemon. And if you can, and if you've got the knife skills, slowly peel away the outside rind and then take all the pith out, the white from the bottom. Get the squeezed lemon, roll it around the outside of the glass, and then roll that glass, that wet lemony glass, all through some caster sugar. So you got this beautiful sugar rim. You got all the ingredients now in your shaker. Give it a good shake with some ice for about 10 to 12 seconds, no less. You want dilution. It's really important when it comes to a perfect cocktail. Take the shaker off or the lid off your water bottle and strain it into your glass, that wonderful glass. Then finally, finish it with that beautiful wheel of lemon zest. And there you have it, my absolute favorite drink using Dilmah's Awake Tea from the Arana range. It is a rum and Awake Tea crusta.